RenderForest Video Animation Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think video creation requires professional editors, but you won't believe what happens next when you use RenderForest. RenderForest is an online video creation platform that lets users build animated videos, intros, logos, and websites using ready-made templates. The surprising truth is that you can create a professional-looking video in under 30 minutes using its drag-and-drop tools. But most people get this wrong. They expect unlimited customization. RenderForest is best for quick branded videos, not fully custom animation. RenderForest is best for small businesses, startups, and content creators who want fast video results. The surprising truth is that speed can beat complexity. Subscribe for more honest video tool reviews that help you create smarter.